So we it's rain. Oh my god, it's rain so heavy. Okay, so now it is very super rains and I'm feeling like eat some ice cream. I bought this one. We call vanilla chocolate. I think it 8,000. Like 8,000, so cheap. $1/3. Yeah, and you can taste the vanilla, and inside they have some little chocolate. Oh, so good. Again, Jenny and her friend. Her name is Tin. And guess what? We are outside of the restaurant. We are so wet because of the rain. I love the rain, but now I don't have the raincoat. We just have only one umbrella. So we intended to go and discover the Hanoi water. But what to do right now? We stuck in the rain. In the rain. In the rain. We look so poor. We like a beggar. And then outside. Money. It's me and Tin together. It's raining and I don't know what to do. We need to put the trap, the ice cream. Yeah, the ice cream in the wrapper. Okay, here. Touch me, I'm clean. Oh, good. I'm touch you.
Okay, so
I intend even it's rain, but we are food lovers, so we need to find a way. Sorry. Oh. I think which one we have to take? Not this one, the other one.
This would be more fun if it's not raining, though.
Yeah, I know.
Where do we go? It's so deep.
I know. Hold on.
Plastics.
Okay, we go to that way.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Right. Very fierce. Here, right? Oh, where the cake shop? Oh, maybe I missed something.
There's no cake shop here.
No, I get lost.
There's no cake shop here.
Oh.
We're inside.
Normally uncha we eat with garlic
And chili.
So this is a buncha. 35,000 in old quarter. If you like my video, just give me a thumbs up or subscribe down there, or click on the bell for the notification. Thank you and see you next time.